Hello, moneymakers. We all have watched motivational shorts and videos on YouTube and Instagram. But did you know recently many channels are creating animated motivational stories and making good money, as this is a new trend and people love to watch animation in general? Let's take a look at this video.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a wise old man named Dan. He was known for always being calm and happy. One day, a young man named Max, who got angry very easily, went to Dan for help. Max's anger made him say hurtful things and make bad decisions, which left him lonely and sad. Dan welcomed Max and asked how he could help. Max said, "I can't control my anger. It ruins my relationships and my peace of mind. Can you help me?" Dan nodded and gave Max a bowl filled with water. "Hold this bowl and walk around the village without spilling any water," he said. Max was confused, but agreed. He walked carefully around the village, focusing on not spilling the water. When he returned, Dan asked, "What were you thinking about while carrying the bowl?" Max replied, "I was only thinking about not spilling the water." Dan smiled and said, "This is your first lesson in controlling anger. When you feel angry, focus on something calm or positive. It helps you avoid acting impulsively."
Now let's take a look at some of the channels that are creating such videos and have got good success. This channel has posted around 20 videos and have got whopping 63,000 subscribers. This is another channel who is working on the same niche, have posted around 30 videos and got more than 85,000 subscribers. Now take a look at this one with over 1 million subscribers. All of these channels are doing the same thing, which is uploading animated motivational stories. Trust me, this is the easiest niche, and nobody is sharing how to create videos like this with the help of AI. Everyone is creating videos on how to make motivational shorts, but that niche is saturated now and there are hundreds of channels on that niche already. However, if you work on this niche, you will definitely get good results, as this is a unique method and very less channels are following it. AI Maskman believe in sharing niches that actually make good money, like I always do on my channel. So in this video, I will teach you how to create animation with the help of AI tools, write engaging scripts, and some editing tricks that no one has shared before. Moreover, I suggest you to remake and upload the same video on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This way, your chances of success in one of the platforms will be higher. More audience will bring more revenue and good brand sponsorship as well. So take a glass of mango juice and watch this video till the end without skipping any part of it. Let's begin with our step 1, crafting an engaging story for our video. To do this, I will use ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and tell it to generate a short moral story and motivational story about 350 words on, and here you have to write your topic. For an example here, I will write how to control your emotions and also give one of the stories for the reference, so it will provide you story in exact format. So for the reference, all you have to do is open one of the channel which I have showed you before in my intro, then open one of the videos and copy the transcript from that particular video like this. Now paste this script on ChatGPT. So as we can see that ChatGPT provides me with an exact story, which I asked it to create. But I think the language is quite complicated, so let's ask ChatGPT, can you please write this in simple language? So this way, make some changes in script as per your requirement. Alternatively, you can also search on Google for a motivational moral story on mind controlling or in any other topic of your choice. And as a result, you will find many articles. Let's open this one. Look at this story. This is the exact story which we want in our video. So this is how you will find so many stories on Google or many other websites.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Nice. All right, now let's jump to the next step. Step 2, generating AI images for wisdom stories. For this part, you can use any image generator tool. I will show you 2 free AI tools for amazing image generation results. But before that, let's ask ChatGPT to write prompt images and videos for each line of the story. So as a result, ChatGPT provides image generation prompts for each and every line. That's amazing, right? All right, our first tool for image generation is Playground AI. Open the tool. Here you can generate stunning images for free. Now click on Create and choose Real Cartoon XL from the available option. Then go back to the ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it here. After that, choose the number of images and image dimensions from the right side. And within a few seconds, you will get amazing results. Now, another free image generator tool is Ideogram AI. In this tool, you can also generate images for free. Just enter your prompt, choose styles for the available option, choose ratio, and hit generate. Within a few seconds, it will provide 4 images to choose from. And the best part of this tool is it will give you a magic prompt. If you use magic prompt, it will give you enhanced results of your image. So continue this process until you will get all the images. All right, now let's move to the next step. Step 3. Create a short animated video. To do this, we will use another free AI tool called Haiper AI Video Generator. Currently, this tool is in beta version, so it is completely free to use. In this tool, you can create a video with text, you can animate your images, repaint your video. Now let's copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now, if you want to generate video in this style, you have to add 3D animation Disney style in your prompt. Or if you want to generate video in this style, you have to add a vector style in your prompt. Now look at the results of this tool. It's awesome. So this way generates so many images and videos, which will result in audience retention and more watch time. More watch time will lead to more views, as YouTube love channels that have higher watch time. Or if you don't want to generate videos, you can also start with just images. Now we need to make a voiceover. And we use 11 Labs for this. Open 11 Labs and paste your script. Then click on Voices and open Voice Library. Then choose Narration and Story. After that, click on Filter and choose Age, Language, Gender, etc.
Crystal clear narration brings.
I have crossed oceans of time to find you. I prayed and asked God for clarity. Nunca te olvidé.
Then select the voice which suits your story and hit Generate and download your audio track. But the problem is, 11 Labs is not completely free to use. I will show you free AI voice generator tool. The tool name is TTS Maker AI. There are a wide number of voices are available. So you can also use this tool instead of 11 Labs. All right, so now we have all the materials which we need for our video. Now it's time to merge all these things. For this, I will use free desktop app called CapCut. Or if the CapCut app is not available in your country, you can use Wondershare Filmora as well. All right, open CapCut desktop app. Import all the materials. Now first, drag the voiceover track into the timeline. Then add 1x1 images and video into the upper layer. Make sure the story and the images will sync together. And also don't forget to choose 16:9 ratio from this option. After adding all the images, click on Filters. Play with different filters and add filter to each and every image, which enhances the quality of your video. All right, now click on Image and choose Animation, then select Combo and this animation to every images. So this way your video look interesting and it will hook the audience to watch it till the end. After that, click Effects and search for the TV effect, and as a result, you will get so many different options to choose. So this way you will edit your video in unique style. And if you follow same style on your every video, your audience will easily recognize your video. Also, if someone copy your video and use it on their channel, your audience will recognize it easily. All right, now click on Text and to generate the subtitles. Choose Language and hit Create. Set the position of the subtitles, then click on Templates and choose any style for your video. Or you can also customize by choosing your own fonts, color, animations, or many more. Now at last, let's add background music. And I will suggest to choose music from YouTube Audio Library, so you will not have to face any type of copyright claim in your video. So choose calm and slow music, which suits your video, and download it. After that, add this music on CapCut. Drag the track into timeline, and decrease the volume so the actual voiceover will be heard clearly. Many times, people keep the background music so high that the actual voiceover can't be heard properly, due to which your audience will skip the video. So this way, you can create a video for this niche. Now click on Export and download it on your computer.
Since you have watched our video till the end, and if you want to support us, you can click on Join button to become our member and avail exclusive member benefits.